Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on StoryGraph using an iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the StoryGraph app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, look at Community tab, tap on it. This is where you can find out readers and connect with friends. At the top of the community page, you will see your search bar. Tap on it and tap your friend's username or email address. When their profile shows up, tap on their name. Now you are on your friend's profile page. Similarly, tap the follow button. Once you do that, you will start seeing their reading activity. If your friends follow you back, you can both see reading updates, review, and reading status. You can also discover new friends by clicking suggested users in the community section. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.